We'll guide you through how to change camera to vertical in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Blender and load the project where you want to use a vertical camera view for your scene or animation. Before making any changes, make sure the scene already contains a camera object that can be adjusted for rendering. Press the numpad 0 key on your keyboard to switch from the normal viewport into the active camera view. Look carefully at the camera frame and confirm that the layout currently appears horizontal instead of vertical. Move your mouse to the Properties panel located on the right side of the Blender interface window. Click the Output Properties tab, which is identified by a small printer icon in the panel menu. Inside the Output Properties settings, find the section labeled Resolution for render size adjustments. Locate the Resolution X and Resolution Y values that control the width and height of the rendered image. Change the Resolution X value to a smaller number, such as 1080 pixels, for a narrower frame. Next, change the Resolution Y value to a taller number, such as 1920 pixels, to create a portrait format. Press Enter after typing the new resolution settings so Blender can apply the updated dimensions correctly. Return to the camera view and notice that the camera frame now displays a vertical orientation instead of a horizontal one. Select the camera object either directly in the viewport or through the outliner panel if needed. Press the G key to move the camera and reposition the framing around your main subject. Press the R key to rotate the camera and adjust the viewing angle for the vertical composition. Use the middle mouse button to navigate around the scene while checking the camera placement from different perspectives. If you want easier adjustments, enable the Lock Camera to View option from the sidebar menu. Drag the viewport while staying in camera view to align the subject properly within the new vertical frame. Finally, press F12 to render an image and preview how the vertical camera format looks in the finished result. You can continue refining the camera position, lighting, and object placement until the rendered image matches the composition you want for posts, mobile videos, or portrait-based artwork. Saving your Blender project after completing these adjustments will preserve the vertical camera settings for later rendering sessions.